DIAdem has a graphical user interface called the Data Portal, designed to make it easy to view and interact with data loaded into memory. The Data Portal is independent of the other panels and may be hidden or made visible by choosing the Menu Options window, Data Portal, or by the key combination Alt F6. The Data Portal enables you to visualize and interact with the content of a TDMS/TDM data file. The Data Portal has two tabs named Structure and List. The Structure tab should be selected, as it is the more intuitive way of viewing the contents of Data Portal. Below the Structure and List tabs is a section that shows the file or root, channel group, or channel properties. Clicking on the file or root at the top will show the root properties. Clicking on a channel group will show the channel group properties. Clicking on a channel will show the channel properties. Adding metadata to imported data saved to TDMS files allows you to categorize the files by key, value pairs of your choice, and then later identify sets of data files based on these categories and values. Metadata must be assigned to files, one property at a time, and then the file must be saved. DIAdem calls metadata properties. You can add properties to the root of a file, the channel group, or a channel. To add a property to the root, select the file link shown at the top of the Data Portal to display the root properties in lower part of the Data Portal. Then right-click and from the pop-up menu, select New, Custom Property. The Create Root Properties dialog will appear. Assign latitude to the name, select Numeric for the data type, and assign the value of 30.4065 to the Value field. Click the OK button when finished. Repeat the process, assigning a longitude property with the numeric value of 97.7273. When finished, the Data Portal should appear as shown. In order for the two properties added to persist and become included in the index, it would be necessary to save the file just edited and re-index the search area.